So what are you guys doing?
So we're gonna go on Mission Space, but the green one.
Well, we checked all the wait times to see which direction would be the best to go into, and since we do not like the real spinny side,
Well, I
we
do.
like the green side, not the orange side. The green side is not the spinning side.
It's just
It's
like,
better for motion.
yeah, motion sickness.
And it's 5 minutes. And the
5
other
minute
side,
wait.
which is spinny, which goes to Mars, is 30 minutes. Okay, we're doing the orbit around the Earth.
We're not gonna go to Mars.
The green. Yeah.
All right, here we are. Mission Space. Ready?
I am. I haven't actually been on the green side because I've always been on the orange.
You want to go on the orange side?
No. Okay, so the door said flight crew only, but I was saying, like, aren't we the crew too? Because we're the ones flying on the spaceship.
Yeah, we should be able to go in the break room before we go on the ride,
Yeah.
right? Yeah.
Intense training is right for you. We strongly encourage you to select Green Team, less intense training.
We are number 9 right now.
Number 9.
Yep.
Number 9.
Yes,
number
number
9.
9.
Number 9.
Yes.
Welcome to the International Space Training Center. You're here today to train for the greatest adventure in the history of mankind, space travel. I know you're probably feeling a little nervous right now. But don't worry. Every astronaut has felt that way at one time or another. Even the heroes who went to the moon. But there is one thing they have that you don't have yet. Training.
Remember how you were nervous in the first one and it was fine?
You're here today for flight training, the most thrilling experience that any astronaut candidate will ever have. Before you decide if it's right for you, let me introduce you to your spacecraft, the X-2 Space Shuttle. It's powered by solid hydrogen and can accelerate from 0 to 6,000 in 60 seconds. So when you hear the words "go for launch," you'll definitely want to hang on. Now you've already been organized into teams, and soon each of you will be assigned a position: navigator, pilot, commander, or engineer. The success of your mission will depend on all of you working together as a team. I'll be your Capcom, and in a few minutes I'll give you your specific assignments. But first, our flight director has some safety instructions for you. Lieutenant?
Remember the team number you're standing on. When the doors in front of you open, you will be directed to a flight station with that number on it. When you get there, please stand on the circles. During your Green Team Less Intense training mission, you will be enclosed inside X-2 flight simulators that produce sensations of acceleration. Those who are made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces or simulators should bypass this experience.
As you can see, astronaut flight training isn't like anything you've ever experienced before. If you would like to opt out, just ask any member of the ISTC crew for directions. As for the rest of you, report for your pre-flight briefing. It's go time.
It's go time.
Let's go. I'm the pilot, so I'm gonna drive us.
Oh, that's scary.
Yay!
That's very scary.
Remember in the Galaxy Edge when I was the pilot? That went great.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it did.
Affirmative. Gauges level across the board. Attention, Mr. Johnson. Check radar. Sector M2M.
Proceed to flight stations. Rows 2 and 9. Rows 1 and 10.
Team 10, you'll be right here behind the door.
Attention astronaut candidates. You have selected Green Team, less intense training. However, if you are made uncomfortable by enclosed dark spaces or simulators, you may exit the flight training area now.
So I'm scared.
I've done it before and it's A-okay.
You have been selected to train for a spectacular mission around the Earth. Your flight path will take you west across North America, Asia, Europe, and back home to Florida. You're gonna love it.
T-minus 3 minutes and counting.
Okay, listen up. Here are your assignments. Navigator, you'll be adjusting the pitch of the X2 if necessary, and firing thrusters for your descent. Pilot, on my signal, I'll need you to trigger first stage separation. You'll also be triggering the landing.
Got it.
Commander,
Oh,
you will be
okay.
responsible for activating the flight sequence and for activating manual control, if needed. Engineer, you will activate the flight cameras when we reach altitude. You will also extend the wings for landing. Well, I guess that's everything. Good luck, Earth Team. You are on the clock.
That mean we get paid? We're on the clock? Woohoo!
Ooh, yay!
Navigator, welcome aboard. During the mission, you will be adjusting the pitch if necessary and firing thrusters for your descent.
My ears.
A reminder, Commander, your assignments are to activate flight sequence, and for landing, activate manual control.
Loading flight plan.
Engineer, just a reminder, you will activate the flight cameras when we reach altitude.
Can you push up on your restraint,
You will
please,
also
sir?
extend the wings
Can you push
for
up on your
landing.
restraint? All right, enjoy.
Warning, instrument panel closing. If needed, space sickness bags are located on the instrument panel.
Uh-oh, guys, I touched it.
No, put it down. Guys, should I activate this? Oh, it turned off. Oh no. Wait a minute. What? Why did it turn off?
Look, there's more knobs.
Buttons and lights and lights and buttons
Oh
and
my.
lights and buttons and buttons and lights.
Activate,
Oh,
guys.
here's more.
Override.
Guidance, control, we're ready to
Guys, you
roll.
gotta turn the status to data. Our computer. Oh, we have the power down.
Yaw, pitch and roll.
Should we put the ball up or down?
These one guy.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, down. Is everything down over there? Down.
This is Mission Control.
Well,
We are still waiting for
Good luck,
clearance to
team.
launch.
All of us here at Mission Control wish you a safe journey around the planet.
all right.
Woohoo! Here we go.
Here we go.
Give us the go and a go for launch. Surgeon, network, you are go for launch. We have made it to start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lift off. All the tower is clear. They're all yours.
Mission Control to X2. You are go and throttle up.
Got it.
Pilot, initiate first stage separation. Commander, initiate flight sequence. Now. Initiated. Navigator, initiate thrusters to adjust pitch. Now. Initiated. Engineer, activate flight camera. Now.
Light camera!
Computer override initiated. Your flight path today is taking you across the United States, past the Grand Canyon, and leaving the continent at San Francisco. The space station should be coming into view. And down on Earth, the Hawaiian Islands. In a moment, you'll be crossing paths with another X2, just launched from the Pacific. rising sun. As you cross into China, you'll pass Beijing, the Great Wall, and we've got reports of a storm brewing over the Gobi Desert. Passing over the Himalayas, you should have a gorgeous night view of India. By now, you're over the Middle East, and to the left is the Nile River, snaking its way toward Cairo and the Mediterranean. You should be seeing Greece and Italy. And up ahead, Paris, the city of light. Tonight, there's a spectacular northern light show on your horizon.
We're getting reports of a strong storm cell directly into landing pad.
Okay, listen up, team. Change of plans. It's going to be a challenging approach, and we'll need all of you working together. Pilot, initiate landing sequence. Now. Initiated. Navigator, initiate descent. Now. Engineer, extend wings for gliding. Now. Commander, activate manual control. Now. Computer authorized technology. All right. Now left. Right. Left. Back to center.
Oh my goodness!
Hold it steady.
They're coming in too hot.
Hold back. Down and clear. Mission accomplished. Good work, team. Welcome back to Earth. And welcome to the astronaut corps.
How was it?
It was good.
Store personal items in the compartment in front of you. Then reach up.
That way.
Firing thrusters for your descent.
That was so much fun.
Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so relaxing too. If you just push back and watching.
Yeah,
How was your orbit?
loved it.
And we all worked as a team and made it safely back.
And I did not crash into any asteroids.
Almost. We almost didn't stop there. We almost went off the runway.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.